I don't eat candy.
You don't eat candy at all?
No, I'm not eating this crap.
God, you're making a mess.
This is so spooky. I've seen these. I don't know if I've ever had them before.
These are those wafer things. Oh. Are they stale?
Wait, I eat the shell?
This is good. This just got like nerds in there.
No, I don't. Get out of here, man.
I eat this. Are you sure?
They're cardboard with little sugar pellets.
Oh, that's weird. It dissolves. No, are you serious? I put this in my mouth? Are you sure?
Those things actually taste like candy, these little pellets.
I don't think I did this right.
Oh, I already know I don't want this.
This looks like a diagram of the Earth's core when we were kids, like in science class.
Peanut butter?
Cherry. And nuts.
I don't like it.
This is not bad. I would probably eat this voluntarily.
Almond. It's almond.
I'm not eating that.
There's no almond? Wow. Okay. Interesting.
This is not a cocktail. Okay, I know what a cocktail is. It doesn't come in a package. It comes in a glass.
Yeah. No almond, huh?
Let's see, what do we have here?
So this looks like a Reese's peanut butter cup. Ooh, it's got marshmallow in it.
That's glue. That's Elmer's glue.
I'm into this. This is better than Reese's. This is just chocolate and marshmallow fluff.
Dark chocolate, marshmallow, in the shape of a Reese's peanut butter cup. I love it.
Sticky. I don't like sticky things. I really am not a marshmallow fan.
It's good. I like it. It's really sweet though, but I mean, it's candy.
That marshmallow needs work. It needs a friend too. It needs a graham cracker friend. Yo.
I'm not a chocolate person, so I'm...
I think I know what this is. This is... Oh, no, I don't.
Chocolate. And this looks like nougat in the middle. Nougat, nugget, nougat. I hate nougat. I hate nougat more than I hate marshmallows.
This one's good. It's like a Hostess snowball, kinda.
What is this?
It must be the texture about like nougat and marshmallow I just don't like.
Called an Idaho Spud.
I've never heard of any of these.
It's pretty old.
Oh, these are my favorite.
Oh, sweet. Should I snort this?
Wow, this brings me back. Pixie sticks.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, these are the best.
Yeah, I remember these.
This is how the pros do it. Oh, God. I regret this.
Who doesn't like pixie sticks?
Ugh.
This is like a nostalgic. Yeah.
The more I eat this, the more I hate myself. I guess that's all candy, but it happens a lot quicker with this.
Ugh.
Ended on a positive note.
Glad I get that last one. Get the gross peanut taste out of my mouth.
Was this your idea, Doug?
Yes.
We need an HR department.